Why do we have to be subjected to a drug test? Why not them? What is so unconstitutional about that? Maids Nograles. Time.
Oh, continuous, ma'am.
Executive, highest level of executive branch is the president. And then you have legislative. Legislative, you have the upper and the lower house. Upper house, you have the Senate president. Lower house, you have the speaker of the house. And then you have the judicial, you have the Supreme Court, the justices, the judges, the lawyers. These are co-equal branches, pantay-pantay. So, everyone else, you and me, working for private companies, why do we have to be subjected to a drug test? Why not them? What is so unconstitutional about that? Maids Nograles.
Maids Nograles.
Young guns.
Yeah.
What's so unconstitutional about that? What? Your imagination is unconstitutional. Fix that brain! Next question.
Okay, ma'am, nabanggit mo talking about Maids Nograles. Mix pa yung pangalan nun, di ba? Maids Nograles.
Nograles.
Sa palagay mo, bakit kaya...
Kung ako sa ilong ay tagpilang halayang itoke.
Ma'am, sa palagay niyo po, ma'am, ano kaya yung pinakadahilan niya? Bakit parang siya kaagad ang unang
She
nire-react
wants
dito?
to make noise. She wants to make noise. Why does she want to make noise? Next year is campaign. Campaign period. She wants to get elected. Saon man mo pagkadaog din is Davao Maids. Imuha magipakaulawan ang sarili. Saon daw na Maids. Gibuguan jud ka na mo Maids. Gibuguan ka. Tagalog. Ayaw Maids.
Tagalog, ma'am, Tagalog.
Paano ka manalo dito sa Davao Maids? Paano? Ganyan ka magsalita. Ganyan na baka bobo tingin mo sa amin, Mix? Na kapwa mo taga Davao City, Mix?
Ma'am, ano bang pagkakilala mo sa mga Nograles? Kasi naririnig ko, originally sila ay from Davao City.
Nag-okay na yan eh. Nag-okay na yung mga tatay eh. Yun ang tanong ko, why is she making trouble? Why is she causing a rift? Rift ba? Faction na naman ba? So I therefore conclude, may mga tao lang talaga siguro na troublemaker, mag-una-una. Mahilig mag-una-una sa mga ganyan, kaguluhan, o ganyan. Akala ko ba, panahon na ng pagbabago. Akala ko ba ganyan? Bagong Pilipinas, akala ko ba?
Opinion niyo po sa mga politiko na magdi-disagree dito sa panukalang ito?
Alam na, you want go? Your favorite is Polvi, Polvoron.
Polvoron.
Yummy.
Magastos daw kasi ito.
Yummy. Yummy. Sa loob ng mouth. Yummy kaya yan dito?
I don't know.
Snort, snort. Hindi ko na-try eh. Masakit daw kasi nag-try yung kaibigan ko. Gaga. Gaga din.
Gaga din.
Gaga din. Goldilocks pa. Original flavor. Goldilocks. Original flavor. Nag-video call kami. Sabi niya, subukan ko nga. Isang ganun. Ang sakit! Ayoko!
Pero sa mga politikong mag-a-agree dito sa panukalang batas na ito ni Pulong Duterte.
Then you have nothing to hide. Kaya kayo tinatago. Ang coke ninyo is yung ganitong coke.
Okay ma'am, last 3 minutes ma'am. Ano yung...
basketball?
Tuloy-tuloy na to. Opinion mo. Last na. Sige, continuous mo na. Last 3 minutes.
Message.
Last message.
Sana, I'm really hoping, sincerely praying, this will be the last. This will be the last. I hope, kahit na mga pasaring, wala na akong, alam mo yung kakagising mo lang, magche-check ka ng messages, makita mo yung messages ng mama mo, goods, Makita mo yung messages ng family mo, nice. Tapos may magsumbong sa'yo na DDS friends mo dyan sa circle na yan. I'm really hoping na I want them to really reach out privately. Kayo ang nagsimula ng mga parinig. Kayo ang dapat makipagkita in person para mag-sit down, talk, settle. Blessed are the peacemakers. Remember Byron Cristobal, and I believe you have to listen to your brother. You listen to Oliver. I know simple psychology, and with what I see, you have to listen to Oliver. He's your kuya, right? You listen to Oliver. Byron, matanda ka pa sa akin, 42 ko, ikaw 47 ka na yata. You listen to your older brother. Ginoo ko. Jay, tama na yan. Tama na, Jay. Ibalik mo yung dati mo.
Okay.
Dada. Sa'yo ako na-trigger eh. Sa'yo talaga ako na-trigger, Dada eh. Kasi ginatag ko sa Facebook.
Okay, banat
Tapos,
Coach Oli.
Okay man si Oliver sa ko
Yes, for me, okay din si Coach Oli.
Okay man talaga siya.
Okay.
Problemang uli.
Yes.
Precious.
Mabait.
Sino yung precious na yan? Byron? Byron, may precious ka daw, okay ka daw. Please, Byron, you listen to your older brother.
Okay, ma'am. Last 1 minute, ma'am. Panawagan mo sa mga...
Byron, I know you make more money than your brother, but you listen to him.
Okay, last 1 minute.
1 minute ka?
1 minute. Okay.
English teacher.
Manata na punta ni ba? Okay, last 1 minute, ma'am. Okay, so...
1 seconds. You tell me if it's 1 seconds na lang You tell me if I have 1 seconds left.
Sa lahat po ng mga DDS, ano yung iyong mensahe?
Timer. I want to know if it's 1 seconds left.
Sige. Sa lahat ng mga DDS na ito, sa lahat, sa viewers nila, viewers namin lahat.
Be strong, guys. Be strong. Be strong. And stay hopeful. Tuloy ang laban. I hope this will be the last misunderstanding amongst our vloggers because we depend on them for real information. Am I right or am I very right or am I extremely right? Choose between the three.
Okay. Last na to sa mga nagba.
Baka 1 seconds left na lang ako.
Okay, 30 seconds. Sa mga nagba.
Coke tabay. Patrokes, coke tabay.
Ayun lang po, ma'am. Maraming salamat po. Wala na sakit sa dibdib mo.
Okay na. If there is someone in that group ni Byron, I want to meet si Oli.
Okay.
Good ka, Oliver. Good. Ikaw ang nagbabasa ng Bible at isinasa puso. Good ka, Oliver. Good.
Okay na, ma'am. Wala na sakit sa dibdib mo.
Okay na.
Wala na, good.
1 second.